Hello and welcome. My name is Sammy and today I'm gonna show you how to use an SSH client to connect to your Linux virtual machine. First off, I use VirtualBox and I'm gonna showcase the PuTTY client and the Windows SSH client to connect to my virtual machine. And my virtual machine is a Debian. The links are in the description. I will copy them and put them there. But first off, let us hop in the VirtualBox. So as you can see, I have here my Debian VM. The installation is not hard, so I hope you get along with that. First off, I set all the settings at default, so we're just gonna start it so you can see what I've done here. So as you can see, I'll show you the IP address of it. It's the default one, 10.02.15. Let me shut down it. So what you have to do to make it open or connectable for SSH client is to highlight it here, press on settings, and then go to network. Click the advanced tab, open it, and then click on the port forwarding button. Here you have to create a new rule. You can see currently I have no rules. Click on this plus icon. Now you have a new rule. You can name it as whatever you want. I will just keep it rule 1. Keep the TCP protocol, and the host IP is gonna be the local host IP, which is 127.0.0.1. The host port is 222 4 times 2, and the guest IP is the IP that you already saw in my VM, which is 10.0.2.15. So at the end, you define the guest port. That's the default SSH client port. That's 22. And then press on OK. Press again OK, and it auto saves it. So now you can right click on your VM, press on Start, and then press the headless Start so it doesn't open a new window. So as you can see, it's now running. Now you can like press the Windows button and then write in CMD if you have the SSH client of Windows installed. And then you use the command SSH -p 2222 sam at 127.0.0.1. So sam is my username. So if you created a different username, use yours and then just press enter. Now it's asking for the fingerprint. Just press yes. Just write in yes and then enter your password. And now you're into your Debian. So we can check if it works. Just move to your root folder, then just give in standard ls. You can see there's everything which is in the normal file system of a Linux system. So now I'll just press exit to get out and I press exit again. Now I'm going to show you the same for PuTTY. Let me just put this here or on the other side. Then double click on your PuTTY icon and then just use the same IP that we've used before, 127.0.0.1, and then for the port use 4 times 2 and click on open. Login as Sam and my password, and I'm in. So that's it. I hope I could help you, and it worked fine. If you have any questions, just comment below and have fun with practicing some Linux command lines. Bye.